Twitter Ads Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to Twitter Ads and relevant resources are in the description. Twitter Ads is a powerful platform for businesses looking to engage with real-time conversations and reach a broad audience. Unlike other social media advertising platforms, Twitter is ideal for brand awareness, product launches, and direct engagement with users who actively discuss industry trends, news, and events. The platform's targeting capabilities include demographics, interests, keywords, follower lookalikes, and tailored audiences, allowing advertisers to reach highly relevant users based on their engagement behavior. Twitter Ads offers multiple ad formats, including promoted tweets, which appear in users' feeds like organic posts but with broader reach, promoted accounts, designed to grow follower counts, and promoted trends, which allow brands to dominate trending topics. Video ads and carousel ads provide more engaging content formats, while Twitter Amplify lets advertisers run pre-roll ads alongside premium video content. Additionally, Twitter's website clicks and app install campaigns drive direct traffic and conversions. The platform operates on an auction-based bidding system, supporting cost per click, CPC, cost per engagement, CPE, and cost per thousand impressions, CPM models. While Twitter's advertising costs are generally lower than LinkedIn or Facebook, performance varies based on targeting strategy and ad relevance. Twitter Ads also provides real-time analytics, allowing businesses to track impressions, engagement, conversions, and overall campaign performance. Retargeting features enable brands to re-engage users who have interacted with previous tweets or visited their websites. Twitter Ads is best suited for brands that thrive on trending topics, media companies, SaaS businesses, e-commerce brands, and those looking to engage in viral marketing. The platform works exceptionally well for campaigns that rely on interaction and real-time conversation. However, advertisers should focus on strong copy, engaging visuals, and precise targeting to maximize return on investment. Overall, Twitter Ads is an excellent platform for businesses looking to boost brand visibility, drive website traffic, and capitalize on trending discussions. If you're looking to leverage Twitter's active user base and real-time engagement potential, check the links in the description to get started.